Alright, hello YouTube. Now this is the, I want to say, third video in my back to school series, and this is going to be like a back to school makeup look. Excuse me. That I like to call Pretty in Pink, and it's just a really neutral, like pink, pretty neutral eye that you can do for going back to school. So I'm just gonna stick my hair behind my ears like I usually do. Oh, first updates. Okay, so I figured out the day 6 clue and got into Pottermore. Yeah. I just have to wait for the confirmation email now. But so yeah, and I still need requests, and if you don't send them to me, I don't care. I'm still gonna make videos whether they were requested or not. So, okay, bye. Well, not bye, but okay. So here comes the video. As soon as I situate my camera, there we go. Ah, now I'm cut off. Okay, there we go. I don't know why my lighting is being so gay. So, this will be my, back to school Pretty in Pink video. So, first thing we're going to do is take this e.l.f. Professional Foundation Brush, focus, there we go, okay. e.l.f. Professional Foundation Brush, and my foundation. This CoverGirl True Blend in 425, just the tiniest little bit. I'm just going to put a sheet of paper here, and start on one side of your face. Make sure it's all rubbed in. Just a little bit more. Rub it in, and just down here. Sorry, that's my phone situate. There we go. Okay, now just down here, and then rub. So once you've got that done, you want to rub it in and pat it, and then brush off the brush. Hang on 1 minute. So once you've done that, then you want to take this LA Colors powder in Fair with this powder brush for the glitters. Okay, if you want to know what that noise is, my brushes are all here organizing. Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to take this blush. I don't know where it's from. It's just a single. The label came off the back, so I don't know where it's from. Sorry, if anybody thinks they know, let me know. With this blush brush, it's just from Walmart. It's not named anything. Hang on, I got a text message. Okay, so when you're done with that, I'm going to take this CoverGirl Lash Blast. Mascara in very black. Hang on, I need a mirror really quickly because right now I'm just using the camera. Hang on, I've got another text message in case you can hear the vibrating. Okay. So when you're done with that, then you're going to take this hang on, I gotta find it. It's a miniature. There it is. Hard Candy Take Me Outliner in black. my sharpener. BRB. Okay. Well. Oh, stay. Sorry about that. Okay. Alright, so once that's done, you know, you have the liner on and the mascara and all that. One more bit. This hard candy eyeshadow primer. Just about that much. And then prime your entire eye. So just like that. And then again. On this side. So once it's all primed up, let it dry for a few minutes. While you're waiting for it to dry, you can take your powder brush. This will help it dry. Take your powder brush. Your brush. Your powder brush. Dip it in the powder, and then just kind of smoke it over your eyes, just so it'll like absorb the liquid and help it dry. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to take this Revlon Illuminance Cream Eyeshadow Palettes in Skin Lights. We're going to take this pinkish one right here that's pan and just put all over your eye to your brow bone. And this just works as a suitable base